friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video I'm going to compare the display comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first phone is iQOO 7 device, and second is a Realme Gt Max device, third is a Realme GT Neo 2 device, as you can see clearly. And each phone has got different type of AMOLED panels, but let's see which phone has got really good color contrast and saturation levels, and which has got low brightness levels, high brightness levels, with studio lighting effect, without studio lighting effect, how is the viewing angles, all those things I'll try to explain in this entire video. So first basic thing is to know about the specifications of each smartphone. The iQOO 7, which has got the 6.62 inches screen size, AMOLED panel, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus certified, and 1300 nits of peak brightness. You can clearly see 398 pixel density. And whereas in the Realme Gt Max, Super AMOLED panel with 120Hz and 1000 nits of peak brightness only, and 409 of pixel density, which is present in the Realme Gt Max. And in the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the Super AMOLED E4 type of panel, which is present here, and 1300 nits of peak brightness and 398 pixel density. So overall, in terms of the brightness levels, the Realme GT Neo 2 and the iQOO 7 device, they both are really very close to each other, 1300 nits. And the next thing is about the pixel density, also really close, iQOO 7 and the Realme GT Neo 2. Now we got to know about the physical, specifications about this all the three smartphones. Now it's time to check the display specifications. Let's go to the display options. What are the settings we are getting in terms of the customization for the display to enhance the colors? Because different manufacturer phones, different UIs will be having different kind of customizations regarding the display. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And in the Realme Gt Max, we do have the three modes. In the Realme GT Neo 2, we do have these three modes. Apart from that, we do have the two different options, which is video image sharpener, video color enhancer. These two technologies are there which will slightly improve the colors of the video as well while watching. And vivid mode, gentle mode, and brilliant mode is present, and is a vivid mode, gentle, and the power saving mode is present. So I'll try to select the vivid mode in both phones because that's the kind of common option which is present here. And even I'll try to turn on the OSIE effect. Let me just show you what does that mean. So is a visual effect which option is there. I did turn on this one, as you can see. So next, in the iQOO 7 device, we do have the standard, professional, and the bright option. These are the pretty straightforward and options, nothing much major differences you can actually expect in the iQOO 7 device. So now we got to know about the specifications. Now we got to know about display settings as well. Next thing is to check the calibration of the three smartphones. Starting from this part of the video, I won't be editing any colors at all, so we'll be exactly seeing actual colors only. So let me do the demonstration. So these are the screen colors which I'm trying to show you exactly what is happening between all the phones. Regarding the screen colors, you will be able to see if there is any kind of difference. And next is regarding the saturation test, also option is available. This is the calibration test which will be really good for the checking the display properties as well, which phone has got what type of display. So let me just slightly zoom in so you may be able to see any kind of differences. So nothing much major differences at this moment in terms of the display panels. But in the Realme GT Neo 2, you can actually see that this layer as well. And in the Realme Gt Max, little bit you can see. And in the iQOO 7 device, you cannot see that layer which is present. You can see clearly the difference how it is. This is a high brightness saturation test which I'm trying to do in terms of the black colors. So here you will be able to understand slightly kind of better. I need to turn off the lights as well to show you the better impact what is happening. So complete lights are off. Now you will be able to understand what is happening in terms of the third layer saturation test. So Realme Gt Max and the Realme GT Neo 2. And next thing, let's go to the back side and open different test which is called the maximum brightness test, which is present here. So which is the thing, yep, maximum brightness test. Let's open the maximum brightness test and let's do the testing again, maximum brightness. So different colors this application will give us. Right now you will be able to see this is the maximum brightness test, and you can see some kind of flickering is happening. You can actually disable that if you enable any kind of options in the settings. So next thing is to check whether there is any kind of rainbow effect or not. Rainbow effect means when you try to tilt the mobile phone, you will be able to see some kind of color shifting is happening in the Realme GT Neo 2 in this area, a rainbow effect. As you can see, this is a rainbow effect which is called side angle. So in the Realme Gt Max also there is some kind of rainbow effect is going on in this area. And let's check in the iQOO 7 device, is there any kind of rainbow effect or not. think yes, little, yes, it's also having that kind of rainbow effect. Different colors, you can see different, it's changing rainbow effect. So this is quite common in terms of the AMOLED phones as well regarding the rainbow effect. And next color. Let's see, I'm trying to show you the multiple colors just to get a clear idea what is going on with the calibration. So instead of normally playing the videos, you should have this kind of clarity what is happening. And this is the minimum brightness test. To check the minimum brightness test, I need to turn off the lights. So now there is no light in the room, and yes, now let's check minimum brightness. This is a complete low brightness test which I'm trying to do. So all the phones are having really low brightness, but you can see these two phones looks really, close to each other in terms of the color calibration, white exactly. But Realme Gt Max slightly looks kind of yellowish if you try to observe a little bit. So you can see the difference. This is another color which I'm trying to present. You can see this color, and not bad. This is another color, and little bit kind of flickering is happening in the iQOO 7 device at this moment with the minimum brightness as well. Now it's time to play the actual footage, and let me try to play the video. So this is a video which I'm trying to play in all the phones in low brightness mode, completely low brightness. So in the low brightness, you will be able to see which phone has got really low. I think all the phones looks really close to each other, nothing much major difference in the low brightness levels. At this moment, I cannot see much difference in the low brightness, and let me try to slightly increase the brightness and see. Full brightness I'm trying to keep. So this with the full brightness I'm trying to do the testing, and you will be able to find the results side by side how it's happening. So iQOO 7 device, Realme Gt Max and the Realme Gt Neo 2. So this complete light turned off. So in this exact shot, you will be able to see nothing much major differences in the colors. I cannot see, even if I try to look, I cannot observe much major differences between these three smartphones. So there are a couple of things you should definitely understand, that Realme Gt Neo 2 is using the AMOLED E4 panel. So there will be some kind of crush issues. Sometimes it's happening, but it's not a huge crush issue. Little bit crush is happening while watching some videos. And you can see with the full brightness I'm trying to play, nothing much major complaints. And let's take a look at the viewing angles of the Realme Gt Neo 2. These are the viewing angles. This is how it looks. I'm trying to show you is there any color shift or not. You can see nothing much major problem regarding the display. It's really good, no issues. And even the Realme Gt Max is also really good for the compact size. It's perfect, I can definitely say that. Perfect in compact size. And iQOO 7 also no issues with the iQOO 7, apart from few things like green tint and the flickering. Sometimes only few units, I think there is an issue, not all the units anyway. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, which display you felt the best. And for me, totally it looks completely kind of similar, nothing much major differences apart from the screen size in the Realme Gt Max. I'm trying to zoom in and I'm trying to show you exactly what is going on. So try to observe the displays. This two looks really kind of very close, and you can see how it's reacting in this kind of video situation. All the phones, not bad. So this is a quick comparison between both phones, iQOO 7 and the Realme Gt Neo 2 side by side. So nothing much major, friends, in terms of the comparing. Try to look at this black borders, you will be able to understand. So little bit in the black border, sometimes the crush is happening in the Realme Gt Neo 2, but I did not see any kind of crush in the iQOO 7 device. So let me try to turn on the lights and show you the same video. Let's see in the lighting effect how it looks. All the phones not bad in the lighting effect as well. So I just want to give a clear idea, friends, because with lighting and without lighting effect, so you should know what is going on with all the three smartphones. That's the main purpose of me demonstrating in this manner. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. I think overall after watching this video, you got a clear idea what is going on with the displays of these three smartphones in terms of the display panel and everything colors. So slightly kind of very close to each other, friends. Nothing much major differences I cannot see at this moment regarding the iQOO 7 and the Realme Gt Max and the Realme GT Neo 2. So let me know in the comment section below which display you felt the best. But for me, apart from like very minor differences, there is not a huge difference between these AMOLED panels. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to follow the playlist for the Realme GT Neo 2, where you can actually find the recently uploaded videos in one single playlist. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video and then stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.